G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, and today we're back with another unboxing and review. This time it's of the Bluedio BS3 Hurricane Bluetooth speaker. Now you might remember a little while ago I did a review on the BS2 Hurricane. I'll link that just over here, put a link up there for you if you do want to check that out. Now this speaker you can pick up for less than 40 bucks. So after the last review of the BS2, I'm expecting good things, so let's get straight into it. One thing I like about the BS2 or Bluedio speakers is the quality of the packaging. I mean, you're really not paying a lot for these things, but the packaging is fantastic. Always expect a lot less for the price, but these things are fantastic. Hang on, can't get this out. There we go. Bear with me a second. There we go. So nice little box, nice presentation. You've got your plastic on top. Chuck that to the side. What do we got in here? We've got a booklet with instructions. Now hopefully I don't need those, but we'll see how we go. And in here, audio cables and a charging cable. Put that to the side. And we'll get to the star of the show. Just get this box away. And there it is. So it looks good. It's got some nice weight to it. Definitely a better size and more weight to it than the BS2. So I'll just give you a look at the two examples. There's the BS3 Hurricane, there's the BS2. Now I love the BS2 for the sound that it put out, for the price. So let's see what we get with the BS3. Now for these, when you're pairing them, you need to have it off to go into pairing mode. So I'm just going to turn the Bluetooth on my Galaxy S7. And see if we've got any juice in this.
Power on. Pairing.
So as you could hear that, it's in pairing. I'll just click it here.
Thought connected.
Connected. Alright, so before we get into that, power button, volume up and down, 3D surround, and your mute button. On the side, you've got your jacks for your jack cable and your charging port. On the back, you've got your speakers facing backwards. The other side's blank. On the front, you've got your speaker grill with some light Bluedio branding there. That's the only branding on it. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what we got here. Not bad. Man, that thing cranks. For less than 40 bucks, that's like everyone's asleep in my house. Well, they're not anymore. I reckon I've just woken them all up. Now I'm just going to put it on 3D sound as it's playing, so we'll see if we can hear any differences in it. Definitely hear a change in the sound. It's going from the front to out of both sides, a more 3D effect. Again, for 40 bucks or less than 40 bucks on eBay, you really can't go wrong with something like this. I mean, that's just, like I said, that's filling up the whole house with that sound. We'll just have a quick look here at some of the specs we've got. So easy to operate, ultra big drivers, so you've got 52mm drivers on it, 3D sound effect, lossless transmission, line-in audio. So again, I mean, you really do get a quality Bluetooth speaker for the price you're paying. I mean, I've got a $100 Bluetooth speaker in the house here that doesn't come anywhere near to that sort of sound. I better stop that. Everyone's going to wake up and start throwing things at me. Look guys, this is fantastic for the price you get. I will put a link down below for where you can get it on eBay. If you've got any questions about it, hit me up in the comments. Fantastic little Bluetooth speaker there. The Bluedio BS3 Hurricane. Get amongst it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, all that stuff. And I'll catch you in the next one. Catch ya.